One thing great about living here in the Sandhills in North Carolina is there is no frost line. I can just use deck blocks, get things level, and build right on top of it. And that's what I've done.
So given the size of this building, I decided to use 2x6s for the floor. I used 3 beams to support the floor, so the span was only 4 feet. I was asked why I used pink insulation, and the answer was because I had it. It had been sitting around for a while, and I didn't feel like going out and spending more money to buy the rigid insulation. I had it, and I used it, and it's been working just fine. I also had 1/2-inch plywood, which I used for the floor, but I ended up using 2 layers. All the wood I used was rough sawn, full dimension lumber, milled right on my property. This was before I had my own sawmill, and I still use Roy from time to time. He can do stuff way faster than I can. The next thing was then to move on to the framing. For the siding, I used a 1x10 board with a 1x3 batten over the joints. That's the same siding I used on my shop. I'd accept help whenever I can get it. Now that the siding is up, now it's time to put on the battens. That's a real good progress shot. Eventually everything on the inside got painted black. It was very important to have the gaskets in between the polycarbonate roofing and the roof rafters. You want to do everything you can to keep the heat from escaping. I used a galvanized metal roof cap for this. last things was to install the intake and exhaust louvers. The air gets pulled in through the top vents and blown out through the bottom vents. So you do have to control the air coming in at different times of the year, and these dampers were the easiest things to do. So from there it was moving on to the inside of the kiln and working on the fan wall. Just like most everything else, these fans I got from Amazon.
So here's the fan wall. Got my 3 fans. I wired it up with Romex, 2-wire Romex. It's 14.2. I'll run a 15 amp circuit out there, and that should cover it. That's all I need for these fans, that and a light.
Turned out hanging this fan wall by myself was kind of a trick.
Let's take the fan wall down, see how it works. Junction box in place. Get in. There we go.
One of the last things to install was the plastic sheet that goes from the fan wall down to the top of the wood stack that you are drying. It's done, time to load it up with some lumber.
So, I'm done. Let's give you a little tour of the solar kiln now that it's finished. I put in probably, got about 500 board feet of pine in here that was cut down, that was milled back in beginning of April, March, sometime there. And gonna let it sit. Got my black plastic now hanging down from the fan wall. If you can take a look at the fan wall up there. The fans were installed yesterday. I've had it open while I've loaded it, so the temperature is only down to 100. It's at 101 right now, but it should get really hot. It was 146 in here the other day, so so it's a 1x10 siding with a 1x3 bat. Got the clear polycarbonate roof. I changed out my rake edging for something a little more substantial, like I showed on the earlier videos. Again, 1x10. The dimensions of it is outside dimension is 8x12. I can get an 11-foot 2-piece of lumber in there, and you know, I'm pretty happy with it. Louvers, found them on Amazon, and this design is from Wood Magazine. If you Google Wood Magazine solar kiln, this is what you'll come up with. Thank you for watching all these, and please click like and subscribe. Bye.